Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Massage Insights. Thank you for tuning in today. I'm Miss Marcella Thompson, owner of Divine Wonders, licensed medical massage therapist, certified lymphatic therapist. Today, I wanted to talk about post-care and the cosmetic surgeries that are trending in our society now. I had the opportunity to embark in my career on writing a recovery manual for the lymphatic surgeries that we have going on in the cosmetic world: lipo 360s of the arms, the legs, Brazilian butts, tummy tucks. And there are just some knowledge tips that doctors don't know, that patients don't get, and that I'm wanting to just put out there so we can have the most positive recovery process for anybody who's thinking about going through these. So the first thing that I would like to share with you are the 3 things that you will change if you sign up and follow through with this process of manipulation. The first thing you have changed is getting massages. You will need to get massages. It will be incorporated into your life if you want a healthy recovery. You also have changed your body activity and your food intake. Those will be the 3 things that changes in order for you to have a successful recovery rate and keep the results it is that you have paid for. So after you go through a cosmetic manipulation, the one thing that you do need to know is that there is a main system that has been interrupted called the lymphatic system, which causes you to swell. And you are needing to have anywhere between 8 to 11 massages to complete the recovery process of getting rid of that fluid. Also, going in and making sure that you understand it takes about 3 to 6 months to heal. What to expect in having the healing process of soreness, tightness, tenderness, hardness, not wanting to be touched. The recovery process for the massages after your manipulation should be done within a 3 to 4 week span. So you get massages every other day to ensure that your swelling is going down and that the lymphatic system is getting back into the flow of cleaning out the debris and the toxins that are floating around in your body. So that's the first thing that I really want people to understand, because a lot of people are out here not understanding that they need to get massages. The second thing that I do want you to understand is that a massage therapist or a medical provider are the only ones who are supposed to be doing these types of massages. Please check the credentials. Don't go by prices. We have a lot of scammers out here right now who are advertising that they can do lymphatic massages from post surgeries, and they do not have any experience at all. So I'm saying this because it is very dangerous to work with this system. If it is that you're rubbed wrong, if it is that you're rubbed in the wrong way, or if you're stroked the wrong way, there could be a lot of complications that come up. Leaving fluid stagnant in the body can cause infections. And so I was just wanting to put this out here, because the one thing that I do say is post-care is the most care. You will pay for your surgery, and yes, it is a lot, but if you do not follow through with the proper positive channels and resources for your recovery could turn out way more expensive than the surgery. Please understand that you will need fajas and waist trainers. You will need to know what good foods to intake and what foods not to eat. Staying away from lotions and oils that have glycerol in it that puts fat back into your body, since you've had fat sucked out of your body. And just little minute notes and hints and tips that as massage therapists we are full of giving these educational hints and tips out when you seek us out for the recovery process. The city of Louisville is full of awesome CLTs. We have the Lymphatic Center. I just encourage you all to seek out, if it is that you are looking for any kind of expertise on the recovery process from your surgery, to make sure that those credentials are there, to make sure that they are licensed, to make sure that we do understand what it is that you're going through, and that we are your biggest supporters. This was a very short video. I wanted to just get this information out. This is part of my department in my medical massage practice that is very heavy. It is trafficked very heavy. We're booked out by months by people who are getting their surgeries paid off in advance. And so just wanted to make sure that we had just some simple tips out there to understand that in the recovery process, you will need what's called MLD, Manual Lymphatic Draining. Check me out. If you have any questions or concerns, please drop me a line. Feel free to come by our office. Hit me up on the website, www.divinewonderslmt.com. Thank you so much. Peace.